cha angizenzi muhle ngamthuka vele ngidakwe utshwala ngakusho ukuthi uyangiyuza nani naye but namanje futhi ngiyaphinda ngiyasho vele ubengiyuza and ngibonga uNkulunkulu nedlozi lami ukuthi at the end of the day bangitshengisile lento bengilo ngimcabangela yona unyaka wonke ngitshela ukuthi mhlambe ngiyadlinza ngiyamcabangela.
Hi guys, so uTumbuzo, do you think Samkelo used her or not? Okay, for me, my opinion is I'm not gonna use the word used, but I'm gonna say ukuthi uSamkelo udlalele ingane yabantu because I did watch the whole episode ne. So umbali uthi when uSamkelo weza kuyena as ugaya amfunayo yabo. So yena umbali ngokwakhe bayazi ukuthi bayajola benoSamkelo. Yena she didn't know ukuthi this is all for content, you understand? It was just content. Mina ngithi-ke urongi-ke uSamkelo udlalele ingane yabantu ngokuthi angayitsheli from the beginning ukuthi lalela mbali mina nawe into izohlanganisa i-content. And uyasho ufuthi umbali ukuthi hey nami ngangilongisora from the beginning ukuthi hayibo lo mfana ngiyenzekani ukuthi mhlambe uyangiyuza or what, kodwa kube ukuthi hayi ayizibi indaba until yes. So my answer is yes, uSamkelo. I'm not gonna say used, but I'm gonna say wrong ukuthi ingane angayitsheli from the beginning ukuthi umdlalo lo waye wrong. Shame. Why wrong nje ngempela shame yazi. I watched the whole episode and umbaluze wakhala. Like to be honest, I wasn't even following them because I would just scroll and then ngibabone and be like this is just content yabo. Akusi i-relationship yangempela. Like from day one nje when I found out about la umbali no Samkelo, I was like nah, this is not real, this is content yabo. So angikaze ngapay attention kakhulu kubona until nje betrend recently ukuthi they broke up and I was like oh my gosh. Like kodwa guys naye umbali like mbali I don't understand ukuthi umbali naye why like wayecabanga ukuthi uSamkelo like for real like he's in love with her. And then guys another thing umbali into ayishilo ukuthi uSamkelo he's very close with umngane wakhe ekuthiwa uMlo. So guys there are rumors athi uSamkelo kungenzeka ukuthi he didn't want to sleep with umbali because ubusy nobani noMlo. Okusho ukuthi allegedly uSamkelo kungenzeka ukuthi it's either okay noma bisexual noma after 9, I don't know, allegedly, don't come for me. So guys, anyway, I think I'm talking too much now. Let's go through the comments. Usilona uyuza kamnandi waze wagezeka. Okay guys, another thing umbali ayishilo ukuthi people are busy saying ukuthi uthi uyakuyuza after everything he has done for you. Uyasho umbali ukuthi hayibo guys, mina uSamkelo akangenzanga next. Wathi ngisho kuthiwa siyabala ukuthi ubani wasiza omunye kunomunye uyena umbali owasiza uSamkelo more than uSamkelo uthasiza umbali. Njengoba behambile ade bese goal bemuvile baye goal, umbali uyekhokhela yena irent noSamkelo naye ekhokhela irent. Uthi nje uyazenzela yena into zakhe, uthi ubevele ezogeza ngoba vele ipage lakhe lalivele laselivele siyabo selikhuphuka seliba nama followers amaningi. So whether uSamkelo bekakhona or bakangekho yena nje still nje ubezoba njengoba enje manje. That's what she said. Akuyena uNkulunkulu nedlozi yithi besilokhu sisho wagcina usubona nawe ukuthi siqinisile. So umbali la deshote nemizwile kwiclip ukuthi ethenene ubonga uNkulunkulu nedlozi ukuthi limvezelo final ukuthi uSamkelo bakamyuza ubekadlala ngaye. So this person is replying to that. Mina ngibona engathi ukusizile uSamkelo, but anyway phephisa mbaliza kuzodlula. Shame, I feel sorry for umbali. Like yes, when I was busy watching clips I was like this is content again. Laba they are playing with us. We obviously gonna see them together again. But when I watched the whole episode, I was convinced to see it's not a game anymore. Like this is real. Like I believe it's real. I'm not saying it is. Because umbali, she was so emotional. She was a good actor, but it wasn't real. But I believed her story, and then I was like, oh my gosh, Lapo guys, umbali doesn't have like family. the only person she has is like her sister. It's sad, guys. It's sad. It is so sad, guys. Honestly speaking, Mbali ubezokwezeka without Samgelo because her content beyiza kahle. Okay, I think this person did watch the episode as well. And guys, Mbali did say ukuthi with or without Samgelo, ubevele zoba right. Yeah. Uthi lo Mbali aka-appreciate finish. Akubona bonke abantu oqala nabo uhambo odalelwe ukuliphetha nabo. Appreciate those abafika empilweni yakho be-add more value than those abazongeke benze imehluko. Okay, I'm not gonna repeat myself, but I already said ukuthi like Mbali said ukuthi uSamkelo he didn't help her with anything because uthi ngisho kuthiwa kuthenga ukudla bebe-contribute way-2. Amantombazane iy'lima kodwa after umuntu ekugeze kangaka then uthi ubekuyuza phela ube mubi lo muntu and namanje usemubi but better than before. Okay, I have nothing to say, guys. Like, it is so wrong. And I remember ukuthi she also mentioned ukuthi into engayithandi lento ukuthi abantu bathi mubi. Washo Mbali ukuthi lene like some people abacabangela omunye umuntu uthula ama feelings wathene if umuntu uyambona ukuthi mubi asikho isidingo sokuthi uhambe leyo nto uzoyikhomenta because awazi ukuthi ifika kanjani kuyena. Yabo, wathi abanye abantu is like they don't have feelings abacabangela ama feelings omunye umuntu ukuthi umuntu masebuka leyo comment leyo uzofila kanjani. Wabona ukuthi hayi lento le yokuthi lebethu Mbali mubi ayimphathi kahle, guys. Stop it. Uthi lo kodwa nawe hayi ke sana ngazi as much as he used you but he changed you a lot. Okay, let's move to the next one because I'm not going to repeat the same thing. Uthi lona 17 wakwenza umuntu wena uSamkelo usuyabukeka uyena nxa vele benza nje abantu besifazane masebengcono izinja fuseki Mbali ndini. Okay, guys, so on the podcast they did mention ukuthi they are busy yabo bahlele indaba ukuthi uSamkelo naye ezosho iside lestor sakhe. So we're waiting for that side of the story. Okwamanje angifuna ukuphawula kakhulu because I want to know the two sides of the story. Yabo. Yeah. Uthi lo utshwala nesinemfu akuhlangani eshono phela ukuthi waphalaza. How do you know that? Oh my gosh. Yimbi Leshandisi. This comment is unnecessary, like for real. Guys, this is still content. Ningathi anginitshelanga. Yo, guys, into engayihayisa. Sengimkholanga kuMbali, into engayidinwa. They both using us to get paid nje. Yithi ilima lana. Yo, ngabe lokho ngempela Nkosi yami. Asazi. Hayi Mbali, yima ho. Ukuyuza njani umuntu ospende imali zakhe ezingaka to make you look this good today. Hayibo. Uthi ke uMbali ke uSamkelo never done anything for her. The only thing he did was to buy her amategu. Anamothe we Nike #1. That's the only thing that he bought for her. So guys, angazi ukuthi lezi imali engake nikhuluma ngazo nithathe lapho ngaphela uMbali noSamkelo both two by the content, so they both get paid. Yeah. uSamkelo uthukelwa into yakhe. Guys, phela let me tell you, yabo I'm putting myself in Mbali's shoes right now. So let's say okay nangumfana uthi uyangithanda ngazi ukuthi siyajola. Ngazi ukuthi siyajola ngithi mina uhleze ethi uyangithanda and ama actions wakhe akhombisa ukuthi uyangithanda. Phela nami ngeke ngayifuni phela hawu manje hawu asenze izinto phela ezenziwa abantu abathandanayo manje ngeke ngadinwa nami ngeke ngadinwa and uthi uMbali wahlala unyaka wonke engayenzi lento ngaphela manje angeke abe busy entertain abanye abantu ebe busy noSamkelo. So nje the whole year uthina nje akaze nje ayenze lento ngoba uSamkelo wayenqaba. But uSamkelo did help this lady to be a better person. Okay, I don't know about that, but according to Umbali, he didn't. And I think they helped each other grow because most people babathanda be together. Manje njengoba sebehlukene, I don't know ukuthi I don't really follow them like that. But yeah, I think content here will be right too. So I think they helped each other. What if kusai content lena? Hey, bafethu vele i-content guys, that's what we do. Vele siphile i-content. What are we sorting? Sizobuya sokhuluma ngayo futhi. Hi guys, beku-content and move on to the next. What are we supposed to do, guys? At this point, ngempela ngeke uzokwazi ukuthi which is real, which is which. Like, yeah. Ubengiuser uthi wrong emotion njalo, but thani wena ungigezile. Okay guys, hayi asazi kungada angazi noma ngisho kahle yini. But anyway guys, that's it from me. What do you think, guys? Do you think uSamkelo used Umbali njengoba esho Umbali, or what do you think? Please share your opinion. I'll see you guys on my next video.